All right, we're in Math Grade 1, and we're going to do lesson number 8 today. Lesson 8 continues our counting as we count our way up. Right now we're working our way from 11 to 40 in Lesson 2 in Ray's Arithmetic book. That's our textbook, and we're going to do the 30s today. Now, just to review what we did last time, so far we've counted our way from 1 through 30, and that's what these stars here represent. So let's just do a little review by counting our way through these one by one, and let's start over here with this star. That's going to be star number 1, and we'll count our way through these 3 groups of 10, and that'll get us up to 30 before we start today's lesson. So starting here with 1, or you count with me and we'll count through these. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So what we're going to do today is pick up where we left off there, and that's going to be star number 31. We're going to count our 30s today, and that's going to be pretty much like what we've been doing with the other groups of 10. Instead of 20s, we're going to count 30s. So this is star number 31. So then next is going to be, of course, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So what we did just now is basically add these 10 new stars to these 30 that we had before. And we put them all together. They're going to look something like this. I've arranged them kind of neatly so they're easy to count and work with, but that's 40 right there. That's what 40 stars looks like. 40 of anything arranged in a group would look like that. And if you look closely and kind of study this, this is basically 5 rows of 8 stars in each row. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and each row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. So what we can do is let's go ahead and count these up just to make sure that we have all 40 of them here. So let me get my marking pen. Let's tick these off. We'll count our way through 1 through 40. Okay, here we go. Ready? In fact, what I'm going to do is we're going to count the columns, because the columns are 5. Those are nice groups of 5 to work with, make it easier. So let's count this through, and let's play this little game of count to 40 by 5s. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, we made it. Now, let's count down to get rid of these purple marks, because we're going to play the other game that we've done before with our stars. And so let's count backwards now. Think you can do that? We count backwards from 40. Let's go do that. You can count with me as I do that. Let's do that. Ready? So starting with that one down there on the right corner, that's 40. Then 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 39, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off, and we're done. So we got our 40 stars, and now let's do our little box game where I'm going to draw. This time it's going to be a red box, and you tell me how many stars are inside that red box. So we'll start with an easy one. I don't want to make it too easy, but easy enough to do this pretty quickly. So how many stars are inside that red box? 6, that's right. Okay, let me make it a little bit harder. Or maybe I'll just do a box in a different place. How many stars are inside that red box? Yep, it's still 6. So you got that easy enough. How about, what if we go like this? How many stars are inside that red box? That's a little tougher. But if you said 15, you're right. That's 15. Let's see. How else can I stump you? How about if we draw a box around these? How many stars are inside that red box? 18. That one took a little bit more time to solve, but that's 18 stars inside that red box. How about this red box? How many stars are inside that one? That is 20. It's exactly half of our 40 stars, isn't it? With the other half sitting over here. Okay. Alrighty. Well, now that we've extended our counting up through 40, what we want to do is write the numerals out for 31 through 40. That's the new group of numbers that we've added today to our previous counting. And so the 30s are what we're going to write our figures for. So the 30s that we started today start with 31. So this is what 31 looks like. Now we counted 31 things in the midst of that 40, but let's say we're going to write it down, write the number for it. So 3 and a 1 put together, that's how you write 31. And then we'll write 32 next. So 32 is going to look like this, a 3 and a 2. And then 33 will look like that. 34 is a 3 and a 4. 35 looks like that, a 3 and a 5. Side by side. 36 is a 3 and a 6 next to each other. You read that, 36. 37, 3 and a 7 make 37 when you write them like that next to each other. 37. 38 is next. That's what 38 looks like. 39 is a 3 and a 9. And 40. 4 and a 0. Okay. So we count down 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. All right, so that's our new group of numbers that we counted up through. Now, that's all we're going to do for today in terms of how high we'll count. So what you can do next is, like we did last time, get your piece of paper or get a new piece of paper out and practice writing these new numerals, the figures for the numbers that we just learned today, which would be 31 through 40, and they're going to look something like this. So I'll go ahead and write them out on this paper. And you can do it like this on your sheet of paper too. So with my pen, I'm going to write up here 31, and then 32, 33, 34, 35, and down below here 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So that's what our newest group of numerals looks like when we write them out. And so we will continue tomorrow. We'll go over these 40 numbers some more so we get really good at them this week. That's what we're spending time on and focusing on learning the numerals up through 40, because we're working our way actually to 100, believe it or not. We're going to count our way to 100. So we're learning on numbers little by little, group by group, and that's how we'll get good at math for all the rest of the good stuff we're going to do. So we will see you tomorrow for the next lesson having to do with a group of numbers 1 through 40.